What's good, guys? We're going to check out a Move to Earn RPG project, the first one that was ever released in the blockchain space, and I'm really liking what I see in terms of the price structure over here. We're back in this nice accumulation range where I've got all this kind of red. Reminds me of the kind of like the winter of 2022 where we saw a massive pump in price afterwards. So let's have a little look at what's going on for GENOPETS. Don't know too much about this project, but we'll try to do some technical analysis on it as well. And we can see the market cap all-time high was 82 million. We're seeing at around 28 million at the moment, so it hasn't been a crazy correction. Many altcoins, are also green today, so we're seeing lots of the low market caps and medium market cap projects actually pumping today. Lots of different tokens and coins. As we can see, Bitcoin sitting at 23.8k. By the way, if you're new here, do smash the subscribe button. I am doing a $200 giveaway with my favorite project, Lucky Block. All you got to do to enter is subscribe. Make sure you also check out the $3,000 and $100,000 giveaways down in the description below. That would be awesome. So GENOPETS, as we see, the world's first move to earn NFT RPG game. I'm a massive fan of RPG games. I mean, I played so many in my life. Fallout series, Dragon's Dogma, RuneScape, what else we got going? We've got Skyrim. I just am a sucker for RPG games. Not so much anymore, so I don't really have the time, but I always appreciate them. So we can see 174k followers over here, and this is the GENOPETS website. So genopets.me looks pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of Pokemon, but just like super colorful ones. Like this looks like a bit like a Deoxys or something. So you can summon your digital pet. Looks really good. Your GENOPET is a digital representation of you infused with your personality. Take care of your GENOPET by taking care of yourself. As you evolve, it evolves. So I don't know what the tie-in is here. Start moving to play. So running at the gym or walking in the park, your GENOPET is always by your side, growing and evolving with you. All steps, all day, no GPS required. So that's pretty cool, but can it like monitor if you're doing some sort of intense workout? Like if you're squatting or deadlifting, will it level you up quicker? Or is it just if you're moving? Because then it would kind of be a bit lame, wouldn't it? In my opinion, it would just be like Step App or, Step N or GMT. I don't know. I think that's kind of cool. But the fact you're just walking to level up, I think if you could do more vigorous activities or something, it would make it a bit more interesting. This website is funky as well, isn't it? Roadmap phase 1, that's in progress at the moment. So private beta, the goal of phase 01 is to test summoning GENOPETS and tracking steps with an intimate cohort of players. That's pretty cool as well. Phase 2, very soon, whitelist public beta. The goal of phase 02 is to expand the size of the player base while introducing core gameplay mechanics. And then we have phase 3 coming in 2023, which is the future launch. So this could be a huge part of the future. It's the first RPG move to earn game that we've ever seen here. So it's brand new. Never seen before. As we see, this is the price. Looking at the markets, we're on some small exchanges like FTX, Bybit, MEXC, more sort of tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 exchanges. But it's interesting to see. Here are the gene tokenomics. I think this is important to look at. Private sale, 1 year lockup, linearly over 1 year after. We've got 32.5 million tokens at 32.5% release. Public sale unlocked, 1.5 million. We've got 1.5% there. Then you have team and advisors over time, 1 year, linearly over 3 years for the development, etc. salaries. Then you have the rest as well. So community treasury and play to earn, you got 41% going there. So that's quite a nice tokenomics distribution in my opinion. It's not too developer heavy. It does look quite exciting. Here is the team. It's good to see some transparency with these crypto projects. I'm not sure what country they are from, but yeah, it's nice to see the transparency, and they've got the Twitter pages as well linked, just for a bit of good faith and integrity as well. So here we can see more people behind the project spinning the smaller cogs in the background, and then we have some advisors here too, not sure who they are, and then we've got a load of different investors too, which of course is really good for the cash reserves and making sure you've got some big names backing the project. Really like it. So the dual token system, GENOPETS operates on a dual token system that comprises KI and gene token, each with its own function and in-game utility. Here we can see KI token. This token is an in-game utility token. Habitat owners are able to harvest by converting energy from steps each day. KI is burned when used and has a max daily earning cap. So I reckon this is one you can probably sell instantaneously. Gene token is the governance, staking and utility token used for Genesis NFT sales, seasonal drops, and in-game for crafting valuable items. Stake Gene for rewards and in-game perks. So Pretty awesome play to earn project where you can also stake to capitalize more of this governance and utility token known as Gene. I'm sure there's lots of utility in this project as well. I do think the website needs a bit of refining. It's a little bit small and everything feels very cramped together, but it's pretty unique to say the least. So we looked at the roadmap already. So far, liking what I see. Lots of green flags. Nothing really looks too bad. We looked at the Twitter. We could see they had a nice Twitter page. And this is the game here. So GENOPETS, the Genoverse. Summon your GENOPET. Your journey begins with meeting your digital familiar in the Genoverse who will travel by your side. Made in your likeness from the start. A GENOPET is infused with your personality. God, well, I bloody hope not. A digital representation of you. GENOPETS is free to play. Everyone can move to earn, stay active to level up, customize your GENOPET to increase its rarity and value over time. And I suppose this is also like the NFT elements. I'm not sure how that will be integrated with the game, but it's really cool. So start by moving to play, level up to evolve. You can see you're going from this like weak looking creature, level up, upgrade, you know, stronger attributes and things. You can craft your NFTs, really nice. You got Battle for Glory. So this is kind of like a turn-based. You see it, it's just like Pokemon, turn-based like that. You got some items you can use. This looks pretty dope, to be honest. I do like this. Choose your destination so you can explore different areas. I suppose different realms will have sort of different resources and monsters and fights and things like that you can explore too. So really like what I'm seeing here of the Gene token. GENOPETS looking really nice. And you know, I'm not really going to do some technical analysis here. I don't think it's needed, but we can identify quite quickly that we're in price ranges similar to this phase here, where we're very, very kind of oversold. And I do believe it's a good accumulation range. We do need to make sure we hold this particular support level. Otherwise, we might see further downside movement where we could still come down to these lower $5 ranges. It's not out of the books just yet, you know, but we are finally getting that sort of support here, that accumulation along here for the past few days for this project. Looking at the 20-day moving average, we've got a massive green candle on the 4-hour time frame, not even overbought on the RSI. I do think things will look good for this project here in the long term. Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour time frame. Again, we're over that 20-day moving average, but we have not hit the resistance trend line just yet. We have bounced off that support level just here. So crazy things are happening really in the world of crypto right now. Metaverse, NFTs, play to earn, it's all here to stay. And to be honest, the bear market secret is you want to put your money where the projects that are still growing and focusing on fundamentals. And that's what one of this project here is doing. It's growing in the bear market. They strive to get better during a bear market. They're not looking at the short term, they're looking at the long term. Last time we were down here at these lower price ranges, you know, we saw a massive 338% pump. Let's say, I suppose we can use our fib extension here and see what the pump actually took us to. So that came up to the 0.5 fib. If we were to get a similar level of a pump, we'd be coming up to around the $14 price level. So we could still potentially see a double, a 2x right here. And I suppose it makes sense because we do have a lot of resistance around this level too. I'd be very keen to see us come out this accumulation range. I do think we are getting close to the bottom. Of course, if Bitcoin flops again, we might see some lower price levels. Either way, this area looks rather good in terms of accumulation. I wouldn't say it would be a bad place to buy, although we did get that massive pump over the last few days. Looks like we're up about 5% or so, 3%. So again, lots of green candles. Maybe it's good to sort of wait for the euphoria to sort of shake off as we are overbought in the hourly time frame. However, if your vision is long term, it probably doesn't really matter too much anyway. So that's GENOPETS, guys. If we look at Crypto Fear and Greed Index today, we're sitting at 31. We were neutral just the other day, I believe. So we were going into this yellow territory, but it's good to see that we're no longer in the extreme fear phase. What else can we look at? Bitcoin rainbow chart. As we see, we're in that dark blue region, and really this is where it's basically a fire sale. You know, crypto looks undervalued again. The last time we were here was obviously COVID-19 in 2020, and then following the bull market in 2017 and 18. So will history repeat itself? Probably. Usually does. It doesn't rhyme, but it usually does at least follow some similarities to the historical date that we've got here. So we've got all this data to go on. If you are new to the channel, guys, make sure you do smash that subscribe button, and also, you know, check out the $3,000 and $100,000 giveaway. Come say hi to me in the Discord, say hello in the Telegram as well. Don't be shy. All of this free resources for you to learn, grow, inspire, and let's create a community together. See you soon. Bye for now.